Hey, what's going on, Smart Money Nation? I'm back with another video. Today I have a video for you still on the independent courier journey. So this video is going to cover the 5 different apps independent couriers use to make over $250 a day. So if you've been following this playlist / journey on how to become a successful independent courier, you've already gotten to the point where you know what type of car you need, what type of insurance, where to buy the car, what the budget is, different places you can get courier routes and contracts from, and now we're going to touch on exactly what apps do independent couriers use to make $250 plus more dollars a day. Before we get started, as always, if you are not subscribed to the channel, join the Smart Money Nation. Hit that red subscribe button. If you are engaged with my videos, make sure you are part of notification gang. Hit the notification bell for me. And if you like my videos, make sure you hit the like button, share it with somebody that you value. As always, I got everything set up on a nice Google Doc sheet for you guys, so we're gonna jump right into that one. Hey, hey, all right, so here's the list. It's the top 5 apps used by independent couriers to make $250 a day or more. Before we get started, if this is the first video you're watching, this is a whole series, so go ahead and go to the home page on my YouTube channel and check out the independent courier playlist, so that way you can catch up on the step-by-step on how to become a successful independent courier. Okay, so the top 5 apps used, okay? GoShare. GoShare is the #1 app used by independent couriers to make a boatload of money. Roadie is #2. Roadie.com is the second app used by independent couriers. Dispatch is #3. Dolly coming in at #4, and Amazon Flex coming in at #5. Amazon Flex is probably the most well-known to the average ear. Okay, we're gonna go to each one of their websites and check out the process and what they have on their website as far as like income potential, requirements, and things like that. So let's start with the first one, which is GoShare. I think I've done a separate video on GoShare already. So if you have not checked that out, go ahead and check that out. GoShare is an application that you can sign up for to be a driver, independent contractor driver, and they lay out exactly how much you could potentially make on their platform, depending on what type of vehicle you have for the work that's available. So they have pickup trucks. Well, you can use a pickup truck, cargo van, box truck, regular cars, SUVs, minivans, and you can even have a whole fleet. And it does go over how much you can make per hour using this, and this is average earnings. So $46 to $52 per hour with the pickup truck, $63 to $71 with the cargo van, $85 per hour with the box truck, and $36 to $42 per hour with just a regular car. So we're gonna get into what qualifies. How it works, you pretty much just get majority of them. This is exactly how it works, minus Amazon Flex. You get a delivery alert whenever there's a load is available that's near you, and you can either accept it or decline it. Once you accept it, just accept the ones that you do want, as it says here. You go ahead and pick up the load and deliver it where it belongs, and you get paid. As simple as that. Payment takes 4 days, right? So 4 days after you actually complete the actual delivery, that's when you actually get paid, right? So that's how that works. As far as if your car or what qualifies for couriers, any vehicle that doesn't fit into one of the other categories below is considered a courier vehicle, which is any car that's not a pickup truck, cargo van, or box truck. The restrictions for the vehicle, I guess no aftermarket accessories. It has to be a vehicle that's 2000 or newer. No salvage titles. You got to have vehicle inspection. registration and insurance, of course. And we talked about insurance in a separate video, so go ahead and check that out in the playlist if you haven't checked it out. But usually it's 100, 300, 100 requirement on the insurance. So that is GoShare. Let's go ahead. I don't want to take too long with this video, so let's go ahead and go to the next one, which is Roadie. All right, so Roadie, here's Roadie's homepage. Roadie works very similarly. It's an application where jobs, you'll get an alert when there are jobs or loads or routes around you, near you, and you can either accept or decline it. You can submit offers. You could see guaranteed payouts up front, so you'll know exactly how much you'll get up front. You can choose, basically says choose deliveries that fit your schedule and earn an average $15 per trip for driving locally. And you'll know the details prior to actually accepting the actual load. You choose when, where. So this is really like more kind of like a Uber for, you know, taking loads, delivering loads, and taking routes, right? Get matched in minutes. Let's just go through this a bit. You get an alert about a gig, offer one or more gig at once, maximize your earnings, easy. Right, follow turn-by-turn navigation. So if you don't have a navigation app that have turn-by-turn navigation, you can contact the person that is sending the package or item, whatever it might be. They do have 24-hour support via text message, email, or phone number. Track your earnings. That's, you know, it's nothing crazy, but yeah. So this is the second one. As far as requirements, I don't know if they have their requirements right on here, but it doesn't. How can I start? What do I need to start? Okay, let's see some of these FAQs. You have to be 18 years old or older, valid Social Security, U.S. driver's license. You got to maintain a 4-star rating in the Roadie community. So basically, as far as like staying on the platform, you got to keep a good rating on the platform. How can I start? Basically Roadie.com/sign up, drive.roadie.com/sign up. So that's Roadie. As far as income potential is concerned, I would say it's a little less than what you would make with GoShare. GoShare, I feel like, has the highest income potential out of all the apps that I'm going to talk about, but it's not as, it's just a bit less than GoShare. So second one to sign up for is Roadie. So let's go to the third one, which is Dispatch. I haven't used Dispatch, but it's a very popular one. Very, very similar to, all of these are very similar to each other as far as how they work. So you would get alerts about jobs, loads, or deliveries that are within the area. You can either choose to accept the delivery or load, or decline it. And that's basically as simple as it is. You sign up, put the vehicle type that you have, you know, actually put in the documentations that's required. Am I qualified? Let's click on that. Yep. So basically all they need: clean driving record, valid driver's license, decent, fair condition vehicle, smartphone, read and speak English, and at least 23 years of age. I didn't know that about Dispatch. So with Dispatch, you have to be 23 years or older. 23 years old or older. Tongue twister. But yeah, so that is Dispatch. So if you want to sign up for Dispatch, you can go to dispatchit.com/drivers. And then the fourth one is Dolly. Dolly is it's been making waves. It's much newer than the rest of them. Off the bat, you see make $35 an hour or more. This one, it's built on pickup trucks, having a pickup truck, but you can use bigger vehicles than just pickup trucks. Okay, so pickup truck, cargo van, or box truck. So that's how you can work, apply as a helper. So you can also have other helpers come on board. Yeah, So that's Dolly. So Dolly is basically a platform that allows you to use your pickup truck, cargo van, box truck. It allows you to use it to get on demand, not moving, but just basically help moving bigger items from one location to another. That's the best way I can explain it. So if somebody is buying a couch from IKEA and doesn't have, the capabilities to move it themselves from IKEA to their home, that would be something that they would dispatch you for, right? So you would also help load and unload the item, and also use your vehicle to load the item into, because a lot of the times that's what you're mainly there for, because you have the bigger vehicle. But there is a good high earning potential with Dolly. So Dolly is another great app to get signed up with. With all these together, you can make much more than $250 a day. Just wanted to throw that out there. I forgot, last one, Amazon Flex. This is probably my least favorite one, but this one you can do with your regular car. You don't even need a pickup truck, cargo van, nothing. So Amazon Flex is, you're basically gonna get a route to deliver Amazon. Well, it's not gonna be a dedicated route. So what they do is they have blocks. Okay, so once you sign up and you get approved, you would be able to pick a different blocks. Blocks are a certain amount of packages in certain location, right? So it might be a block in I don't know, somewhere in Tennessee, with 75 packages from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m., right? And it'll tell you how much they're paying for that particular block. So you will reserve these blocks, and usually you're competing with other people to hurry up and reserve the box, right? So it's a little competitive, but they do end up averaging out to $18 to $25 an hour. You could make more, you could make a little less, depending on the day and depending on your luck. But it is on demand like the rest of them, which means you can decide to do it one day, decide not to do it the next day, and come back a month later. There's no commitment here, right? So that's the positive side to it. But so Amazon Flex is another great one. So that's the top 5 third-party load apps that independent couriers use to make $200, $300 plus a day, every day as an independent courier. So with that being said, thank you guys for checking out this video. If you have not checked out the rest of the series on how to become a successful independent courier, please check out that playlist on my YouTube channel. Check out the other videos if you missed any. If you're not subscribed, join the Smart Money Nation. Get smart with us. Hit that red subscribe button. If you haven't hit the notification bell, go ahead and ring that thing for me right now. Hit the like button if you like the video. Share it with somebody that you value. Comment. And I will see you guys in another video. Peace.
Hey.